Hi guys, welcome back to my English videos. So today I'm going to talk about the topic introduce myself and um, date but one. Okay, let's get started. My name is Thanh. My full name is Thẩm Kim Thanh. My English name is Steven. I'm 23 years old. My birthday is on June 8th. I'm 1 meter 70 centimeters and was meters tall and was 65 kilograms. My phone number is 0978 445 076. So I'm from Thường Tín, Thar. Currently, I'm living and working in Hanoi City. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. There are so many things to do here. Now I am a teacher at a middle school. I teach many students and take care of them. I love my job. My hobby is to exercise. I usually do exercise in the morning every day because it's good for my health and I feel good when I do exercise. I like reading books, so I often reading books in my free time because it help me more knowledge. My birthday is on June 8th, so I like to have a small party for my birthday day. All of my family come to my house and we eat dinner together, dinner and cake together. My father's birthday is on July 2nd. My mother's birthday is on January 1st, and my sister's birthday is on September 14th. I have summer vacation from school from June to August. In the first month of my vacation, I stay at home, relax and meet my friends. I like playing football and basketball with my friends and drink coffee or tea when I talk with them. In in July, in July, July, I like swimming and studying English. I like swimming when it's hot and studying English in my free time. In August the third the third the third the third month of my vacation, I go traveling with my family and preparing for next month. I go back to school on September 1st. I love summer vacation because I don't go to school of the summer vacation. So I'm very busy on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. In the morning, I go to work at 6:30 a.m. until 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I take a nap. When I get up, I learn English. In the evening, I cook dinner and have dinner. Then I preparing for next day. On on Tuesday and Thursday days, I have English class in the evening. At the weekends, on Saturday, I wake up early and go to the gym. In the morning, in the afternoon, I do housework and homework. In the evening, I meet my friends for dinner. On Sundays, I wake up early and go to the park to run. In the afternoon, I cook lunch and I take a nap. In the evening, I preparing for next week. I sleep early on Sundays because I need to wake up early on Monday for school. Next, my family. There are 4 people in my family. They are my parents, one sister older than me, and me. First, my father is the oldest. He is 55 years old. He is 1 meter 60 centimeters tall and weighs 60 kilograms. He is a farmer. He works on the farm. He works 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 with my animals and feed them. He is very kind. His hobby is reading. He really likes reading books and reading news. He usually he usually reading books in the morning every day because he thinks reading very important. My mother is younger than my father. She is 51 years old. She is 1 meter 55 centimeters tall and weighs 50 kilograms. She is also a farmer. She works in the garden. She watered the plants and take care of them. She is hard working. Her hobby is running. Her hobbies is running and she likes watching TV. She usually running in the morning every day, every day, every day, and often watching TV in the evening. My parents love their job 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 job. My parents love they their job job job. So I have one older sister than me. She is 30 years old. She is 1 meter 60 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. She is a doctor. She works at a hospital. She helps and take care many people. She very hard working and love her job job. Her hobbies is cooking. She usually cooking in the evening after she finished her work. She likes reading. She likes listening to music. So she usually listening music in the morning every day. My family, my family loves having free time with, and we often eat dinner and watching TV together at the weekends. Weekends, uh, we we like go to the park and eat something food. I love time spending time with my family. My city, there are a lot of restaurants, a small park, and a big river in my city. My city is quite quiet, but I like going to the river with my friend friends. The river near my house, so we usually running there. My friends and I like going to run run together. Sometimes 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 it's hot. We will swim in the river. I also like eat at restaurants with my friends. The restaurants far from my house, so I go there by motorbike. Um, there are many places to eat in my city, but uh, all of the restaurants very delicious, but are expensive. I love my city because it quite quiet. I have a cat. I have I have a cat. Uh, he is a fat cat. His name is Cap. He 20 centimeters tall and weighs 5 kilograms. He has white. He has two blue eyes, two small ears, four legs, and one tail. He usually sleeps 10 hours a day, and he eats 10 fish a day. Uh, he 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 usually plays with his toy toy. He has 50 50 small toys and 10 big toys. He is so lazy and he is so lazy um and he likes play his with his toy and sleep, but he very cute and smart. He can drink 10 bottles of water a day. So I love my cat so much. Okay, next I will count numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, so I feel a little tired. I can drink a little water. Wait me. Oh, I I I was I will drink tea. So okay, I am continue. Count zero from 0 to 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 69, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 85, 80, 6, 80, 7, 80, 8, 80, 9, 80, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 80, 8, 8, 80, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, so next I will talk about the topic learn English. I know learning English takes time, but you but you must spend a lot of time for studying. Because why? Because when you child, you need spend two or 4 years for listening. So then you will then you can speak speak basic for example when you say my mother I want ring quarter, but you can't say enough. You can say basic or 1 to 5 words. For example, my mother ring or my mother quarter, right? So if you girl say you can speak enough, so you can speak mother I want a ring quarter, or my mother or mom I want ring quarter, right? Okay, so when you speak English, remember that is learn a foreign language takes time. Okay. And you remember that don't worry about your mistakes, because we learn from mistakes. For example, if you don't make mistakes, you won't improve. When I say snacks, but I don't speak and plan good balance. So I say slap. It means slap. I eat slap. What? I eat slap. What? So I want to say I eat eggs in the morning every day. When I don't good speak pronunciation, so I say I eat ass. What? I eat ass. It mean so because when we learn English, don't don't study. We should have fun with language. Okay, so if you don't, if I don't make mistakes, I don't know uh, how 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 to pronunciation this words, right? And okay, so I want share share with you an important quote. Please don't think learning English too difficult. Why? Because everything you can control and master it if you practice enough and spend time for it. Uh, I wanna share share with you one tips when you learn English. It's you can you can spend 30 minutes or 2 hours a day for learned, because you can make study English can be to daily routine. Why? Because you you speak because you speaking your language you speak every day, right? If also speak English, I uh, I usually spend a little time for speaking because if you don't use uh, English for every day, you will forget it. Yes. Alright. Okay, I wanna share with you. It is spend um 30 minutes for speaking, uh 30 30 30 minutes for reading, 30 minutes for reading, and spend 30 minutes for writing. I have we have 4 skills of my language, that is speaking, writing, listening, writing, and reading. If you practice enough, everyone can be speak English. Yeah, I have don't speak English well. I can't speak English when I am a student at college, but now I can speak English. However, don't enough, but I can understand somebody say 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 what is what is so and I can um, I can speak I can say or talk with foreign foreign with somebody when you speak English. Yeah, I understand about 50% or 17%. I understand speaker of English when when the when the when when them talk with me. Yeah. Okay, so I'm finished my videos for today. Thank you for listening and watching my video. See you next my video. Bye. See ya.